fix WhatsApp not showing contact names on Android. If you open up WhatsApp and your WhatsApp chats are not showing contact names but they are showing phone numbers. Now this could be happening due to a certain reason, and it's a very simple fix. You just have to go ahead and then long press the WhatsApp app icon on an Android device. On any Android, you'll find a little eye icon, which is the app info icon. On some Android, it will be written as app info. So tap on this eye icon, which will directly take you to the app information page. Go to the option permissions. Under permissions, look for the permission of contacts. So the reason you're only seeing phone number and not your contact name is because WhatsApp is not being able to use your contacts to show you the names. So you have to simply allow the permission for contacts. Then just go ahead and then relaunch the WhatsApp app. Then once done, you'll be able to see WhatsApp chats load up with contact names. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this.